Dan Chanda's last heartwarming message to fans. Music legend Dan Chanda died on Saturday, and since then, fans from across the African continent have flooded social media with messages of condolences. Many people also shared their memories of the musician. Chanda's death came just days after he returned from a family vacation in Durban. It was during the Durban trip that Chanda posted a heartwarming message on Facebook, wishing his fans a happy festive season and pledging his love for them. "I want to let you know that I love you very much," he told his followers. "Next year, you are going to see some changes from Splash and Dalam Music because it will be a new year, and then we want to do the best, we want to give you the best." Chanda will not be around to make this promise come true following his death due to heart failure at the Santon Medi Clinic. His hugely successful career saw him produce hits with groups including Splash and Dalam Kids. Chanda's music was revered not only in South Africa but also the rest of Africa, particularly in Zambia and Zimbabwe. The family is yet to announce memorial and funeral plans.